To fix an Xfinity router with a blinking green light, several steps can be taken. First, inspect and replace any damaged cables. Next, perform a power cycle on the router and make a direct connection by plugging it into the main cable. Additionally, try replacing the antenna or performing a factory reset on the router. It's also a good idea to remove and reattach any loose cables, and to stop possible overload by disconnecting 2 or 3 devices. Moving the router to a central and more open space in the room can also help. Changing the Wi-Fi channel to a less crowded one may resolve the issue. And placing the router in a well-ventilated space can help avoid overheating. Repeating the router's firmware and testing a wired connection using an Ethernet cable are also potential solutions. Reconfiguring the Wi-Fi settings and checking the router's log files for information on network issues can provide further insight. If none of these steps work, check to ensure the monthly subscription is up to date, and if necessary, contact Xfinity support for further assistance. By following these steps, the blinking green light issue can be resolved.